What? Let's go. Good morning. Well, last night I set the tarp up just in case, even though when I went to bed it was clear skies, and then it rained all night. And now it's all socked in and cloudy. And I don't know if you guys can see the mountain in the distance. There's even a dusting of snow up there. So it's just about the right time to start heading south again. I'm gonna pack up, have something to eat, and hopefully the weather will start to clear up and it'll be worthwhile on going to check out that hike. Otherwise, we'll keep motoring on south and hopefully hit some better weather. Alright, I'm all packed up and ready to go. I was hoping that by the time I had got myself organized that it would have cleared up, but it's still pretty socked in and misty. So unfortunately, another Tombstone hike will have to wait for another trip. Well, let's hit the road. And we're off. Alright, change of plans, guys. It's slowly starting to clear up, so I figure we'll be able to make it to the lookout point for the Grizzly Lakes Trail, and hopefully the weather gets even better. So let's get changed up and head up the trail. Alright, start of the Grizzly Lake Trail. Just going up to the viewpoint because the actual lake is a overnight trip. Of course, just as I changed up, it's starting to sprinkle on me. Ah, a nice flat trail. This is so nice. This guy's so upset he dropped his pine cone. There's more where that came from, little guy. It's still trying to sprinkle on me, but the sun is also trying to poke through. Who's gonna win? We're just slowly climbing at a nice meandering pace. It was too good to be true. We're now at the steep and grueling part. In my shadow, so that either means winter's coming or the sun is winning over the rain. A final rocky scramble to the lookout. Grizzly Lake viewpoint. Well, we more or less got the weather to cooperate. It's clear enough. You can't see the very top of some of the jagged peaks, unfortunately, but pretty enough. The Grizzly Lake Trail continues up along that ridge, and I guess the lake is either somewhere back there or over there. We got some decent weather up here, got some nice views. Still can't see the top of Tombstone Mountain over there in the valley, but we can see the peaks of lots of others. Well, let's head down and continue on the road. And we're back. What a difference a few hours makes. Broken clouds, warm sun. You would think with as much traveling as I've done, I would be more security conscious. But when I was at the top, I realized I had forgotten my wallet in my jacket and left it here on the bike for anyone to take. But luckily, the camping crowd is usually pretty safe. Well, let's get changed up and get back on the road. All right, it's 55 kilometers to the junction, and we should be able to make it on this tank of gas. Back on the road. And we're back to the gas station. We used even less gas this time. I've got 2 bars left. What? How? Well, there you go. 740 kilometers on that road. Lots of different challenges. Pretty stressful overall, but some pretty amazing scenery. And it did it all in 2 tanks somehow. That's amazing. Well, now we're back on some normal pavement for a bit. And let's keep going down the road. And we're done with the Dempster. On south towards Cormac. Another campground all to myself, and another covered hut that might as well sleep in. And we'll go take a look at the lake once I get settled in. If I'm brave, maybe I'll even jump in. Alright, I've got the wood stove going, so it's going to be nice and toasty. Let's go see if I'm brave and I'm going to jump in that lake. Tanachin Lake. Right. Well, it's 7:15 and the sun's still pretty high. Now, well, you guys asked for it, so I'm going in. Okay, just like ripping a band-aid off. What? That's cool. Oh, that's really cool. That was really cold. Whew, but refreshing. All right, what a day. Finished up on the Dempster. Did our little hike and we've made it down to almost, we're at Carmack's. And camping by the lake. I've got myself some Campbell's Chunky, some more emergency food. Hopefully pick up some more supplies tomorrow. And then we'll continue on moving east and south. And we'll see what, not really sure what tomorrow is going to bring. So we'll just check it out in the morning and see where we're going to head. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Ta-da!